Train Happy here. Welcome to Dunbarton Central. On the Agile line, you'll see service by ScotRail, and if there's any luck, we might get a bit of freight. There's 318 that terminated here from Cumbernauld or Springburn. There's 320 buzzing from Queen Street to Ballock. The reason why I want to do a station because there's going to be 156 going to stop here both Oban and Mallock. Well, there could be some, but we just might be able to get some. Let's see what we find until we could see any trains around in Dunbarton Central. Okay, just Dunbarton right now is going to be 320 from Airdrie to Ballock. No, there's a U paint job inside the train. There it goes. Service to Ballock. Okay, 320 for 315 and 318 to Sumno. When you come off the station, guys, you could go to the Denny Tank Exhibition. This is what it says on the Dunbarton Central board. And there's a lot to see here. This train was first running in about 2015. Okay, just Dunbarton now is going to be the 318 bout for coming off from here. So it's a three car set. There it goes. Yeah. Better 56. 318 to 70. Oh my god, just passing for this, we got a bit of freight coming in. Yeah, they got fast trains. It's got tankers. Okay, this is a class 66. Yeah. Okay, it's 66. What's stopping?
Got an amber light now, so all good.
All good. Let me pause it. Okay, it's 66. That's what we're still trying to figure out. And there's a clock. There's a clock. 66 743. That was the best one yet. Okay, just arriving in now is going to be a service by the Hills Central from Edinburgh Waverley. You're right, it's a 334. It's a 6 car set, so it's 334014. Oh no, it's 334034. I thought it was 33414, but 33434, it's my favourite. And 334 004. Did you see that freight I've got there, guys? That was incredible. I think it's probably the Milkman Royal Scotsman. Huh? To get your seats. Yeah, I see that. Yeah, this is why they changed ScotRail. Oh, okay. Okay, just departing now is going to be the 334 service. 334 or 34 and 334 double four. This is my favourite. This Express, it's my favourite. Alright guys, we switched platforms. Okay. We'll wait until some trains come. Okay, just arrived. It just stuck there.
Is that a train station up there?
What?
That looks like a train station.
That might be a broken down train, to be honest with you.
Is that a train station up there?
No, there isn't.
Is it like...
Does it go to that platform and just stop?
What's the next station after Dunbarton Central?
It's down here.
So, I think that's Dalrick up there.
Oh, there it goes.
I don't think they break down there. I think that is actually a station.
I think
Same thing.
don't think so. Okay, just driving in now. It's going to be 334.
That explains everything. So that's Dalrick, just round the corner.
Oh my god! How close did they put that station?
Oh, right, stand back a bit.
334 003. I saw that train in Hamilton Central when I was going for my school trip. 334 003 and 334 020.
This is Dunbarton Central. This train is for Edinburgh Waverley. The next stop is Dunbarton East.
Next stop's Dunbarton East. Just spot now is going to be 334 service from
Speak to ScotRail. That train station is far too close.
yeah. Well, I think they'll have to travel 10 miles per hour to get to that station. Okay, I think, yeah, just terminated in here is going to be a service from Dunbarton, from Cumbernauld to Dunbarton Central. Gonna have to put buffers behind that track.
Right, we'll go and get the train now. Come on.
Okay, we'll decide the next station. Please make sure like and subscribe for more Jack's Train Hub videos. Right, so this will be our final train for today, and I'll see you kids soon. We'll decide what station comes next. Bye now.